Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the glassware cleaning. Introduction. Laboratory procedure required a specific, sensitive and the precise method for reliable results. These methods should involve the good glassware cleaning to ensure the excellent laboratory results. In all instances, the laboratory ware should be physically clean, chemically residue free, grease free and be the sterile. Laboratory glasswares are a variety of materials made of the glass used for scientific experiments and analysis in the all fields of science, especially the diagnostic and research field of medicine. Types of the laboratory glasswares: the marker glassware, Duran glassware, Rankine glassware, borosilicate, R glassware, borosilicate quality glassware, hydrometer, thermometer, the crucible, silica, and Gel thermometer. Example of the glassware items include the beakers, flasks, test tubes, microscope slides, glass petri dish, pipette, graduated glass cylinders, and jars, etc. Next is the laboratory glassware cleaning. Glassware cleaning is dependent on the type of glass and the agent to be cleaned off the glass. In lab of this, there are a different method of the glassware cleaning. Initial glassware cleaning. There are the This is the first step of the glassware. If the glassware is not clean after the initial step, you can go on the more aggressive cleaning protocols. Methods: scrape away any thick solid materials from the glass if possible. Next is the glassware cleaning methods. Wipe away any grease from the glass joints with a solvent like the acetone, which can be used to help the remove the grease. Put the glassware in the warm cleaning solution of detergent and water. Use a brush or cleaning pad to clean any residue or contaminations. Rinse with the tap water first, followed by the deionized water, and allow to dry. Most new glasses is slightly alkaline and should be washed upon the receipt and generally can be soaked into 1% HCl or HNO3 solution. Before wash, rinse in tap followed by the DI water and allow to dry. Next is the glassware cleaning method. Second, mild cleaning method. If the initial cleaning method fails, gentle solvents for long-term soaking. When the dealing with the gentle aqueous solutions, heat soaking or in the some intensive mechanism, agitation such as the stirring, shaking or the sonication can enhance in productivity. The common gentle aqueous cleaning mixture are the described below. Common gentle aqueous cleaning mixtures and their uses: deionized water for diluting out the absorbed ion, passive soaking, diluents or surfactants solubilizing lipid materials, agitations, bruising, rubbing or sonications, protein or saccharides, hydrolyzed enzymes, breaking the larger structures into soluble molecule passing the soaking. Metal chelating compounds in soluble salt become more so by the removing the metal ion, passive soaking, the dilute strong acids, insoluble salt along anions is soluble or it acid form soak or agitation, concentrated weak acid insoluble salts and ions insoluble as its acid from soak or brush. Dilute solutions, phosphate, carbonate or ammonia all create the low level of hydroxide ion for solubilizing a weak insoluble acid solution and a soak, agitate or bruise. In today's class, I discuss about the two cleaning glassware methods. Thank you for watching.